mean to like that.
Hello everybody. The helicopter is now bringing Kirstie Smallman live to the park in the middle of Kitchener-Waterloo. I believe it's Victoria Park. Oh, I see her just coming out now. Here she comes, here she comes. There, thank you for dropping in. Hello, hello, hello. So we've witnessed here at this park, we have witnessed, Kirstie, I'm just going to focus on you.
On me.
We have seen a swan take down a gaggle of geese and goslings. Try to. We have had helicopters landing. We've had teenagers screaming. This is a very beautiful and very active park.
Today.
Today.
It's not always as active. I can't. I said this would be the perfect place. It's chill,
there we go.
Relaxed,
yeah.
It's loud, and now there's people in the background.
So
my hair is sticking up.
Oh God, your hair looks great. I don't know about mine though. I have my old lady hair. Oh, and there's a dude coming into the video. I love Facebook Live. Just love it. Anywho, we are here to talk about Kirstie's session at Simply Blossoming this year. As you know, the theme is love, and Kirstie is like our dance prom queen. Dance prom queen. I'm giving everybody these really funny nicknames.
You are.
So our dance prom queen. Kirstie, can you tell us a little bit about how the theme of love, because many of people did the chakra dance last year.
Yeah.
So this year the theme is love. So how is the workshop going to change, or the session going to change from last year, now that we've got love?
Well, last year we focused on all 7 chakras. We did what's known as the beginner or introductory chakra dance session. And this year, with the focus on love, I will be doing the heart chakra. So the structure of the class itself will remain the same. We'll start with a meditation, a little bit of info about the energy of the heart chakra, some information about the archetypes of the heart chakra, and then we will dance a warm-up leading into the focused music for the heart chakra. I can't get over my hair, you guys. It's like, hi. Sorry.
The challenge of being outdoors.
Yeah, it's just.
Yeah, but it's cute.
I don't know.
It's your hair wants to dance.
Okay.
It's feeling.
Just
Nice.
So
yeah.
The heart chakra, now that I've got your attention with my hair, is obviously the center of our body, where we think about love emanating from. It's also the middle chakra between the lower 3 and the upper 3. So it's the center point of connecting our 3D or earthly realm to spirit realm, and the more ethereal energies that we all play with. And it's really important to have a balance between the two, and I just love that we're doing love as the theme, because well, all you need is love. We all need more love.
All you need is love.
And everything is love. So, you know, there's some divine paradoxes there. But essentially, the main dancing piece will be focused on the vibrational frequency of the love for the heart chakra. It could quite possibly be very moving. It's also the combination of masculine and feminine energies. That's what happens here. And some people see the heart chakra energy as pink, and some see it as green. And that pink is the universal energy. It's kind of sparkly gold as well. And that, when we say everything is love, that is the universal energy. And that's how we create and manifest things. So we will dance with that. After the dance, we then do the mandala art section again, and then a closing meditation. And then the ability to share, it's optional of course, if you want. Last year was amazing when people shared, so
Perfect.
if you're really nervous, don't worry about it. I'm sure someone else will share who's next to you, and you'll gain what you need from it.
Well, thank you, Kirstie. I must say this backdrop is a lot nicer than the one we had last year. That was a barn. There were some empties behind it. It kind of smelled a little weird, you know.
And there was the Highway 6
yeah.
roaring in the background, and then
So I
over there.
much prefer this backdrop. So we'll make mental note of that for next year.
Yeah.
So thank you, Kirstie, for joining us.
With geese and
Yeah,
random passersby and helicopters to drop me off.
So don't forget, The early bird ends May 31st, and I believe at midnight. So get your tickets October 19th to the 21st, and I'll be doing some more lives later on this week, meeting everybody. So say bye, Kirstie. Bye, everybody.